eXp Realty has officially launched a referral division. That's right, you can park your license in referral and not have to pay MLS board dues. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some resources of how you can send a referral to another agent by getting the agreement signed, and also some training on exactly how to set up your Skyslope account so you can get paid just like you would on a regular transaction. And I'm also going to share a link to a document that has the frequently asked questions. So let's just dive into it. So here's the first one that I want to share with you. The links to all this are going to be in the description of this video, so you can go through it at your leisure. But most importantly here is there is a split with eXp Realty referral, and there is a monthly fee. So jumping over to this document will answer those questions, and if you have any additional questions, you can go into the state broker rooms and they'll answer those questions for you. The next one here is a training series of videos of how to set up your Skyslope. You're going to set up Skyslope very similar to how you would set it up if you were representing a buyer or listing a property. So you can click on each one of these and it'll show you exactly step by step on how to set up your referrals in Skyslope. And this next one is the agent portal. This is where you would go to actually create a referral agreement. I've just recently sent some referrals to some agents, and it processes just like a regular transaction. So when you log into this, you want to click through and set up a new referral here. So once you find the agent that you're going to send the referral to, you come in here and create this referral. You populate the agent's name, you put in the referral fee, you click if it's a listing or a buyer, and then you click send. And what this is going to do is actually going to populate the referral agreement. It's going to send it to yourself for signature. It's going to send it to the agent that you're referring the deal to, and it's also going to send the agreement to your state broker for signature. Once that comes back, you're going to set up the Skyslope account, and then you're going to insert this referral agreement. And once the deal closes and eXp receives the commission from title, then they're going to process it and then send it into your account through ACH. I just had a few of these closed recently, and it was a very seamless transaction. So if you want to find out more information about how the referral program works, go talk to your state broker. It's easy to send referrals now, or if you're looking to park your license in eXp Referral Division, they're the ones that are going to be able to answer all those questions that you may have. Check out the FAQ, check out the training, log into the agent portal, test it all out, and start sending out referrals. So hope you found some value out of this video. Hit that like button, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.